What's up guys, Boy here. We're doing another video. We're taking a look at the alien pocket knife. Let's begin. So you could probably, it's basically the alien pocket knife with the alien decal and all. Of course, you actually have the scales on this one is this metallic red with the silver. Basically a bunch of metal pieces inside of it, sandwiched in there. Probably stainless steel. Got 3 Phillips screwdrivers you can disassemble. And also having this flashlight, which may not be the brightest. I mean, a better, well, basically it looks LED type flashlight, but I would recommend it. Basically kind of is a little small distance. Something like that's probably the best distance for it. So recommend getting a really big flashlight about it, but it'll be fine. This blade itself is pretty sharp. You could probably know for that. You also have is the bottle opener with the very smaller flathead screw right here. Get a proper flathead screwdriver. And of course, a Phillips screwdriver. Of course, you actually have is a D-ring attached onto an O-ring, basically for keychain and stuff like that. So let's talk about the size itself. The size on this guy is, or the handle, and while it's all closed, would be around about of 2 2/4. Meanwhile, with the chain, or rather the chain and everything, would be around about of 3.5 inch. The blade would be around about of 1/4. Meanwhile, for the overall size, would be around about of 3.5 inch. While the Phillips screwdriver at around about of 1 inch. Meanwhile, for the overall size, it'd be around about of 3/4. Meanwhile, for the bottle opener is around about of 1 inch. Meanwhile, for the overall size is around about of 3/4. For the flathead would be around about of 1 inch. While for the overall size, it'd be around about of 3/4. So let's test this bad boy out. So the results out there is pretty good. I mean, you can see the cuts on that is pretty good. This one's another cut. 2, 3, 4, and that's about it. That's pretty good. So I'm giving the alien multi-tool pocket knife an astounding of a 7 out of 10. It's a decent knife. Really a decent multi-tool, and it's basically pretty okay of all things. Well, the light may not be, won't be pretty bright like an actual flashlight, but there are many better ones too. So that's basically not bad. So that wraps up of the alien pocket knife. I'm Boy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.